Now, as we know how sensitive that knee joint is, so to know whether you are doing a specific movement with the hip, are your hips open enough to do the movement, or are you actually taking some of it out of the knee, or are you bringing a lot of pressure onto the knee? There's a little test we can do for that, and we will do this for internal rotation. So internal rotation is what we do, for example, in saddle pose, which we just said. We have to be very mindful in saddle pose with the knees. So if you have your masking tape, what you're going to do is you're going to sit on your heels. Look at the knees. They're like nice in line with the femur bone. You're going to take a bit of the masking tape, put it straight over the knee. I have two lines here. And now I am going to do saddle. I'm not going to do reclined saddle. I'm just going to do it seated. So I'm going to bring my hips into internal rotation. I'm going to sit in between my feet. You can even have your feet go out to the side a little bit. Now, if your tape is moving like it is with mine, it's almost now like this on my knees. This is okay, because I am now doing this movement from my hip. I'm not trying to do anything here. If I would have the tape still in the same way, it means that your hips are not open for doing this movement, and you would be trying to do this movement more from your knee and the lower leg. So this is a good one to see whether your hips are actually doing it or whether you're taking over with your knees. And I also, when I do this, I feel nothing in my knees. There's no complaint. Knees are quiet. They are not talking